Have you ever caught yourself thinking, where do I even start investing? There are so many options: stocks, mutual funds, apps, bank accounts. It's all just confusing. I remember being in your shoes and wishing I could skip months of research with one clear answer, because making that first move can feel overwhelming. While we're walking through this together, here's why joining this investing journey as a community really does make a difference. By subscribing, you instantly get access to ongoing support, updates, and a place to share both wins and challenges. Take a moment right now, hit subscribe, and come back ready to give your money a purpose. Imagine you've started setting aside $10, $1,000, or whatever you can each month, and now you're deciding where to actually put it to make that money grow. That first step matters for your whole investing future, because your account isn't just a storage box for your cash. It's the front door to your investment options. The best part is, the right choice evolves naturally from your own goals, home country, and sometimes your tax situation. So let's make it simple and personal. Your platform might look very different depending on whether you're in the US, India, the UK, Australia, or elsewhere, but the goal is the same everywhere. Pick something straightforward, secure, and with trustworthy fees. For instance, you can go with a brokerage account, a Roth IRA, or a 401k in the US. A Demat or PPF account if you're starting in India, a stocks and shares ISA in the UK, or, no matter where you are, some global apps now make it possible to invest in dollars, pounds, rupees, or euros using just your phone. Looking back, I know I wasted way too much time stressing about which advanced features mattered before I even invested my first dollar. The right move is always to pick a regulated, easy-to-use platform for your country and just start. As you're comparing your options, here are the questions I wish someone had told me to ask. Is the account regulated and insured in your country? What are the trading fees? Can you withdraw money when you need it? Are stocks, funds, or alternatives easily accessible? Is there solid customer support if something goes wrong? Steer clear of platforms that hide fees or overcomplicate, because in today's world, there are genuinely user-friendly choices available. Everyone's journey is different, and it's totally okay to feel nervous before hitting that buy button the first time. Consistency and discipline carry you a lot farther than picking the perfect platform, so remember, even baby steps now lead to confidence later. Here I'll show you which platform works best in your country. Now that you've seen which accounts and platforms are popular around the world, you can actually act on it. You just need to search for Open an Investment Account plus your country's name. Compare the top few, glance at customer feedback, and verify they're regulated by your national finance authority. That's all it takes to confidently set up your very first real investment account. Once you picked your platform, take the plunge by registering. You'll probably need your ID and a bank statement, and try depositing your first small amount, even if it's only $10 or $1,000. Starting isn't about being perfect, it's about taking action and growing smarter as you go. If at any point you find yourself overwhelmed, pause, remember your why, and stay patient with your progress. In the next episode, we're walking you through exactly how to make your first real investment, the actual steps to buy, what to expect during your first month, and how to avoid those classic newbie mistakes. Questions about specific platforms or how to check reviews? Drop them in the comments so more people worldwide can benefit. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe now. You won't want to miss the next step in building your financial confidence. Let's keep moving forward together, turning every small action into genuine progress on your investment journey.